Hello everybody, this is Jeff Janess and welcome to our second lab exercise on GIS data types in ArcGIS Pro. This is a really simple one. We're just going to learn how to create a brand new file geodatabase. It's really easy, but file geodatabases are wonderful ways to store data. So the idea here is we first use our little catalog view to navigate to some place that we want to put it. It doesn't have to be an empty folder, but just go to a folder someplace that you want to create your file geodatabase. Once you've got that folder open, this is currently what's in that folder. We just right click, go to New, and File Geodatabase. It makes it. We can give it a name, whatever we like. There. And that's it. Now we have a wonderful workspace to store our data in. That's all there is to it.